Hi guys, I'm Allie with Allie Artifacts. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I very much appreciate you stopping in. If you've been coming, my goodness, like before, all the time, whatever, like thank you for coming back again and giving me another shot. I really appreciate it. I so appreciate the people that have been so supportive of me and my channel. So thank you so much. But yeah, so I actually have a Michaels sort of haul. Sorry. And I'm big, huge sweatshirt and my hair's wild and, whatever. And I'm strategically placed so that you can't see the pile of yarn on my chair behind me. I have all these projects on the go, which is what actually this is all for too. But I have kind of a Michaels haul. I'm on a spending, like, no spend, kind of thing, because our, financial situation has changed a little bit since I sort of semi-retired. And but this was, I had some money from making some stuff at craft fairs and things, and I thought, I want to, invest in my channel for sure, but I also want to sort of make the things that are in my head, and they're going to be, gifts and just, some other different things. I've been super, super inspired by Dee from Dee's Creative Hands. And again, I've mentioned her on a bunch of different of my videos. If you are not subscribed to her, please subscribe to her. You will just be so grateful that you did. She's awesome. She is so awesome and so creative, and she's really inspired me in so many different ways. And she's just a lovely person. God bless you, Dee. I love you. So anyway, I'm also inspired by Mama G at Mama G Gear. If you don't know her, please go and check her out. She's also an incredibly creative person and a lovely, lovely person. So I love you too, Mama G. But all right, so I'm gonna dive into this stuff. This is some of it's kind of novelty things and not too crazy, but stuff that I definitely wanted to work with. So let me. I have 3 boxes here. This is kind of like a little one, just a little one. It's probably got like 1 or 2 cakes in it. All right, and I kind of figured that this is what this one was going to be. So I got a cinnamon swirl cake, and I got it in the colorway strawberry swirl. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Super, super cute. So I got this for a particular person who, if she's watching, she may know that I got this, to make something for her. But let me just kind of talk about the yarn real quick. So it's called Strawberry Swirl. It is 100% acrylic, 407 yards, and it's a 4-weight, So I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I know that I got, I think I got like a 25% off coupon. I don't know if it was on sale. I can't remember if it was on sale at the same time. I'm not sure, but I know that I did not pay a bunch of money for this. Let me see if this little guy says. Okay, so they're normally, I think, $12.99, and I got it for $9.74, so whatever that works out to. But anyway, it's a lovely yarn, and I have some of this in a different colorway, and this for some reason feels different. It just feels softer for some reason. I don't know if they've kind of revamped some stuff or whatever, but anyway, that's a cinnamon swirl cake. So I got 2 of those for a project that I have in mind. And I've already pre-opened the boxes because, well, first of all, one of the boxes, I don't know, like, I guess Michaels gets some of their stuff from Spinrite. I don't know, but I got a box from Spinrite, and I'm like, oh, it's Happy Mail. Like, what? Like, I wasn't really sure. Like, somebody sent me something. Well, it was part of my Michaels order, and I just thought that was different, interesting. I just didn't know that about them. So I don't know why I told you that, but yeah, anyway. So this next box, let me show you the size of the box. Oh, is this, and there is, ooh, okay. So one of the things that I love this yarn. I've used it before in a couple of different shawls, maybe more than that. Oh yeah, no, a couple of different shawls. And then the one that I'm making that's like a hippy dippy kind of a thing, I'm using some of it in that because I had some kind of scraps left over. It is the, hold on, the Caron Latte Cakes. Oh my gosh. So can you see the halo on that? It is as soft as it looks, maybe even softer. It is, oh, I love this stuff. I think I described it as being a blessing to work with because it truly is. I love this. You know, I'm not affiliate with Michaels, just say that, you know, straight off the bat here. But I love like a lot of their cakes. Like I'm just like, wow, like I really love it. So this is the specs on this. It's 530 yards and it's considered a 5 weight, probably because of the halo here. Sorry, I'm trying to get a little bit off of here so you can kind of see. But it's really kind of a 4, maybe even like a 3. I don't know. I'm leaning more, well, like a 3.5, you know, but because of the halo, they add more, you know, to the weight. So, so it's a 5. It's 58% acrylic and 42% nylon, which is probably why it's so soft. And this colorway, you gonna tell me? Oh, here he is. It's just called cream. It's just, you know, super basic. What I am hoping, and I don't know if Michaels is watching, dark colors of this would be amazing. I don't know what that process would be, if it's a harder process to do that, but that would be amazing. Like deep purples and deep reds and deep, even like deep oranges and turquoises. Oh my gosh. So like that kind of stuff, I would love that. I would absolutely love that. And I don't think I would be the only one that would love that. So Michaels, if you're watching, I'm just saying. Okay. Anyway, so this is cream and I got 4 of these because excuse me. One of the projects, I think I might be combining these two. Maybe. We'll see. But I got 4 of them because I love it and I want to use it. I want to use it as much as possible. So, so yeah, so I got, oh gosh, I'm not gonna be able to hold this, am I? Yep, 4 of them, 4 of those. And then I was watching, okay, Kimberly. Kimberly with Knit for Brains. That's the name of her channel. I just recently discovered her. Super creative person, also kind of an out of the box type of person like Mama G and Dee. If you know of any other channels like that they just kind of like create things out of the box, let me know. I'm into it and I really would love to watch their channels and support them. Anyway, so Kimberly with Knit for Brains, she she had, I don't know, she was doing an unboxing or something and she pulled this out. I was like, oh my gosh, this is super, super cute. And I had not gotten one yet and just kind of wanted to experience it. It's Caron Coconut Cakes. And this is in the colorway Tutti Frutti. Is that not the funnest thing ever? Is that not the funnest thing? I'm even thinking something with these two. Because this has got kind of some stuff going on. And it looks like it would be kind of like rough or straw-like, or it's not. It's bunchy and just lovely. And the specs on this is, it's actually, I'm sorry for my voice. I don't know what's going on. 78% cotton and 22% polyester. So it's bunchy and it's lovely. And it is a 4 weight. This doesn't consider that to be like a halo, I guess, kind of thing. Hold on. I'm trying to get a strand. It's a 4 weight. It's on the thinner side of 4 weight, but it is a 4 weight. And I like this. This is super cool. Oh, I forgot. I got this because it was like you have to get to a certain point for like free shipping. So I got an ergonomic aluminum crochet hook from Loops and Threads. I just got the eye hook or whatever that is, 5.5 millimeters. I go by the letters because I'm old school. But yeah, so I just got one of those. It's super cute and it's supposed to be ergonomic and I like that sort of thing. So, okay, let me just throw these back in the box. And then I don't know why they got shipped from all these different places, I guess. Supply, whatever. Okay, so that is that. And then the box that I already opened just has, and I will open one of these. It has 4 of the latte cakes. It's a different colorway because I needed, I needed gray for a particular project. This is, what is happening? It's like Fort Knox. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So I got 4 of these. Oh, I love that colorway. Wait, it's blowing out because of the lighting. It's like a super crappy, I don't know, foggy day, but I guess the lighting's all right. It's not like bright sun, so it's gonna like completely blow it out. But it's called Pepper Ash. So again, it's did I mention specs on those? Oh yeah, I did. Okay. So it is 530 yards, 58% acrylic, 42% nylon. So again, oh, just super soft. I could just like sleep on this, like make a pillow out of these cakes. It's just lovely. It is so lovely. So anyway, so yeah, so I had another project in mind for this one. You know, I'm kind of addicted to making shawls lately, and I haven't made a ton of them, but I've made some of them, and I'm loving it. So that is basically, oh, yeah. So I don't know. Do I need to do this? I don't know. Just show you all 4 of them. All 4 of them. Okay. Good thumbnail. Anyway, so yeah, so that was my haul from Michaels. And, you know, honestly, if you like working with just like really soft, comfy yarn, those latte cakes are just amazing. And I don't know, that coconut cake, I'm looking down because I throw all this stuff in a box on the floor. That coconut cake is surprising. Like I really thought it was going to be different. And even Kimberly was even saying, you know, it was soft and blah, blah, but I don't know. It's kind of cool. So anyway, yeah, that's it. That's my thing. That's my sort of semi review. But anyway, thank you very much. Thank you for stopping in. I always, again, really appreciate your support. I really, really do. So if you can give it like and share and subscribe, and when you subscribe, hit the notification bell, you know, to make sure that you get notifications that you know, of any other content that I might throw out there. If you want to hear, if you know, want to be back here again. Anyway, thank you again so much. God bless you, and I will see you around the tube. See you guys. Love you. Bye.